stuff like that. I'm always looking for quick ways to get protein into my diet. And when I find ways, I like to share it with you. So hopefully, are you looking for simple and easy ways to add more protein to your diet? I'm gonna show you a few options that I use to add more protein to my diet. Now you can use these as sides to your regular food that you're eating. So let's say if you're making some chicken or some beef, throw these on the side. It'll just add more protein to your diet. Try and do it the healthiest way possible. Hopefully these help you out. Let me know in the comments if these help you out, or if you have a recommendation which I can use to add more protein into my diet. I'm always looking for ways to add more protein. So take some of these tips. Hopefully these ideas help you out, and let me know in the comments. Let me show you what we got here. First up, one thing I love using is yogurt. I eat yogurt almost every single day. Yogurt is great. All kind of different kind of yogurts you can choose from. Whichever ones you want to roll with, go with it, all right? But if you go get you a plain yogurt like this right here, this Oikos plain yogurt, this joker's good, man. One serving coming in 18 grams of protein. Now you cannot beat that. So you go get you one of these and grab you some of this right here. All right, keep this in stock. You'll be using this all the time. I use it all the time, okay? So this ranch seasoning right here, if you get the big one, you don't have to worry about it. What you do is you take one serving of that yogurt, add a little bit of seasoning on there, and I'm telling you, you got you a high protein dip now. I mean, you can't beat a high protein dip, all right? So all you gotta do is make sure you get the plain yogurt. Don't go buy the vanilla flavor, because that's gonna taste a little weird. I mean, it might taste, I don't know, but get the plain Oikos or whatever flavor, whatever brand you wanna get the plain yogurt, and then just sprinkle a little bit of this in there, mix it up, you got your high protein dip, okay? It goes great with like celery, goes great with carrots. I mean, you can have your high protein snack mid-morning, you know, take it to work with you if that's something you want to do. If you want to use it as, you know, maybe a dipping sauce for chicken, like some air fried chicken, or even some chicken wings. I mean, you can take it to town with that, all right? So use this dip right here to really help increase your protein with the quickness, and it tastes great, and it's so simple to make. Yogurt and seasoning, man, you cannot beat that, all right? So try it out, let me know what you think, or add something to your dip, or if you have a dip that you make, let me know in the comments, man. I'm ready to make it too, so come on now. Okay, now next up, if you can have pasta in your diet, if it's something that fits into your macros, into your diet, slide over and get you some of this protein pasta, all right? I cannot recommend this stuff enough. It is so good, so easy to make. Now make sure you measure it out. I have plenty of videos showing you gotta make sure you measure it out. Go get your scale, measure out 2 ounces, okay? Don't go eat half this box now. It's really gonna throw you off, okay? Measure out 2 ounces. So Barilla has a good one. Banza also has a good one, okay? So whichever one you want to roll with, one serving of this is going to get you about 10 grams of protein right there, all right? That's 10 grams of protein on the side of whatever you're making. If you're making your chicken, you're making your beef, mix it all in there with it, I'm trying to tell you. But one thing that you can do as a healthy, a really tasty side, take one serving of this, and then or that other protein pasta. What you're gonna do now, so you're gonna cook one serving of that pasta. That's gonna get you 10 grams right there. You're gonna use a little bit of this sauce right here. I always talk about this 4-cheese Alfredo sauce. This one's real, it's lower fat. It's a lower fat Alfredo sauce. Make sure you check the back of it, okay? So this one's coming in at only 3 grams of fat, okay? So you're just gonna use a little bit, because it's only 2 ounces of pasta. So just use a little bit of this sauce. So one serving is only 1/4 cup. So that's not much at all. You can probably use half of that. And then what you're gonna throw on top is this right here. If you get down with Parmesan cheese, get it in your life, because it's an easy way to add some more protein into a lot of your meals. I've had it on my videos where I sprinkle it on top of my chicken. You can put it on top of salads. It's a really easy way to get protein in. Look here, this Parmesan chicken, this Parmesan cheese is coming in at 9 grams of protein. All right, 9 grams of protein. Now, you put this on anything, you're just adding more protein to it, okay? So what you do is you just cook one serving of your protein pasta, add a little of that Alfredo sauce, throw a little bit of this on there. Come on now, you cannot beat that, all right? So right here, you got 19 grams of protein on the side of whatever you have, all right? Whatever you have. It goes great with chicken. You can throw some chicken on top of this, and then that can easily get you to 30 grams of protein, no matter how much chicken you're using, okay? So you see how easy it is? I'm trying to tell you the easiest ways that I get my protein in. My goal is to always hit my protein goals each day. So stuff like this really helps me, and I'm here to help you out as well, all right? Now this is one way I get protein in. This is so easy. I add this to a lot of sides of, you know, my chicken, my beef and stuff. It's such an easy way. Man, it tastes great. You gotta go with edamame. If you can go find you some edamame. Edamame is great. If you want to just heat them up, like this bag right here, just put it in the microwave. Then you got edamame. And all you gotta do, if you want to, throw a little sea salt on it. Man, it tastes great. I'm trying to take it. So one serving of this edamame is coming in at 9 grams of protein now. You cannot beat that, all right? Edamame, I eat edamame a lot. And it's so easy. I mean, kids love it. And if your store has it, look for this right here. This right here is a cheat code. One serving is 2/3 cups coming in at 12 grams of protein right here. All right, this, I'm trying to tell you, make these, throw a little sea salt on top. It's gonna taste amazing. And it adds 12 grams of protein. You can mix this into chicken. You can mix it into beef. Look at that. Let me show you what you're gonna get now. Okay. So if your store has something like this, or if it has those edamame, or if it has these pods right here, go get these, okay? Put these in your life. I'm trying to tell you, it's an easy way to add protein to your diet. 12 grams of protein that sits in your freezer. It doesn't go bad now. You can put it in all kinds of stuff, all right? If you know on these, let me know if you have these in your meals. Goes great with like a chicken recipe. These go great with it, all right? You can season them however you want to, but man, they really taste good, all right? If you know on these. Go get you some of these if you can find them now. Put them in your freezer now. And on the edamame, if you don't want to go with the frozen ones, if you just need a snack, let me show you one of the snacks that I roll with. I keep these in stock because man, they're like a cheat code. Go find these right here. Look at that. Let me show you the ones to get. You got to get these right here. One serving of this, which is 1/3 cup, is coming in at 14 grams of protein. You cannot beat that. It's so quick, so easy. You can take these anywhere with you. I like to travel with, because what you do is just measure out 1/3 cup, and you're getting your 14 grams of protein right there, all right? This is what I'm talking about right there, boom. Dry roasted edamame, you cannot beat it. Such an easy, it's like a cheat code. I'm trying to tell you, you roll around with these and you need some quick protein, 14 grams of protein, you can't beat that, all right? So look for this one right here. Now here's another one that I found. I'm like, you know what? This would go great with a breakfast to add in some more protein. If protein is something that you're looking to get, go check these out right here. Look at that. Oikos is changing the game over here. Look at this, 10 grams of protein in those little bottles. You see that? Man, you can have one of these with your breakfast and just adds 10 grams of protein, and they taste great. Come on now, look at that. They taste good. Oikos is changing the game over here. But check that out. That's an easy way to add some more protein into your breakfast, or if you just need a quick snack mid-morning, bam, you're getting your 10 grams of protein. You cannot beat that, okay? Go check these out. Look at that. Such an easy way to add protein into your diet. The quick and easy way, all right? Another great way I like to snack and get my protein is these right here, these organic pumpkin seeds, all right? You can find these, go get you some of these. One serving of these coming in at 8 grams of protein. Man, and these things taste amazing. You can put them on salads. I like preferably, I like just eat them by themselves. I just measure it out and eat it by itself. Now, Kroger has them, Walmart has them, but if you go to Costco, Costco has the big bag of these jokers, man. That's what you do. You measure out 1/4 cup, and that gets you 8 grams of protein right there, man, and these taste great. I'm trying to tell you. I like to what I'll do is I'll just grab a measuring cup, I'll dip that joker in the bag, and I'll just eat it out of the measuring cup to hold myself accountable so I don't mess around and eat this whole bag. Okay, you gotta do what you gotta do sometimes to make sure you keep yourself on point, right? So just go get you some of these. You will not be disappointed. Like I said, put them on your salads or just eat them straight because they taste great, all right? I just made a rhyme there. Let's go. Hopefully some of these ideas helped you out. Hopefully these ideas will help you get more protein into your diet with ease, with the quickness. That's what I'm always looking for. I don't have time to be making all kinds of crazy recipes and stuff like that. I'm always looking for quick ways to get protein into my diet. And when I find ways, I like to share it with you. So hopefully it helps you out. Let me know in the comments if it does. I'm gonna keep making these videos, and let me know, comment below on ways that you get protein in your diet as well. It helps us all out, man. We're all here to help each other. So I appreciate you watching, and until next time, let's keep getting better. Let's go.